Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. You guys know that I love purchasing new beauty tools online, but in this case, there was a need. I needed a face roller, so I shopped around and found something even better, a massaging face roller. How could I pass that up? This product is Finishing Touch Flawless Contour Vibrating Facial Roller and Massager. This product comes with a rolling facial massage head, a massaging base handle, an under eye press head, and one AA battery. The face roller is already connected to the massager, so I will try the face roller first. I just need to add the battery. The power switch to turn on the massager is located near the top of the handle. The massage handle is easy to hold. I have a good grip of it. Here at the bottom is where you add the battery to power the massager. You only need one AA battery for this device. If you use any kind of facial cream or serum or night cream or even maracuja oil like me, you can use this beauty tool during application to help your skin receive a deeper absorption of the product that you applied. I'm using my beloved maracuja oil to massage into my skin with the face roller. I'm applying the oil to my forehead, chin, and cheeks. And now we can begin. I am applying the massage roller to my face in an upward direction. I started with the bottom half of my face and eventually will work up to the top half of my face. You see my face, right? I'm enjoying this. This massager is legit. Wow. I feel very relaxed for sure. I'm making sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout my face. Then I will redo my face starting from the bottom and work towards the top once more. So here are some more details about this product. The face roller is designed to help stimulate circulation, promote collagen production, and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The massage handle is designed with micro-vibrating technology to stimulate blood flow, improve overall skin elasticity, tightness, and skin tone rejuvenation. The under eye press helps reduce puffy eyes, dark circles, and inflammation. If you use this face roller massager for at least 10 minutes a day, you can improve your skin's elasticity, stimulate circulation, and collagen production on your face. This product can be used for those who have sensitive skin. I myself have sensitive skin and I did not have any issues with this product. Okay, so I feel that the maracuja oil was massaged in nicely. So let's switch to the under eye press to massage in the maracuja oil to my under eye area. As I am using the under eye press, I am focusing on my under eyelid area, you know, the bags area. I am basically sweeping the under eye press beneath my lower eyelids, moving the under eye press from my nose towards my ears, then back. I repeated this motion a few times. Once I feel satisfied with the application under my eyelids, I will move on to using the under eye press on the rest of my face. I mean, why not? Besides, the under eye press fits in between the space between my eyebrows and on the bridge of my nose as well, so why not give the under eye press more functions? That area needs some love and dedication too, you know? Plus, I wanted to feel the difference of how the face roller feels in different areas on my face compared to the under eye press, and there is a difference. The face roller felt like it was just evenly spreading out the oil across my face, but using the under eye press after felt like the oil was actually getting smoothed in. See, when I purchase something, I like to really test it out. So yes, I will read the manufacturer's instructions on how to use an item, then my improvising skills kick in. And then I try to figure out what else a product can be useful for, you know? I make sure I get my money's worth with every purchase. The roller head and under eye press are made out of rose quartz stone. The stone rose quartz is cooler to the touch compared to the jade stone. You can actually increase the cooling effect by refrigerating the roller head and the under eye press before usage. This will not damage the stone at all. If you refrigerate the under eye press specifically prior to usage, this will help improve the performance and the reduction of any puffy, swollen under eyelids. As for the face roller, a cooling massage helps reduce the puffiness of your overall face. You do not have to use the massager whenever you are applying your skincare product. So if the massager part breaks or rusts out from the battery, because that happens too, you still have a face roller. Then you can also still do a cold treatment since the face roller and the under eye press are made out of rose quartz stone. For this video, I did not refrigerate the face roller nor the under eye press before usage. In the future, I will definitely try the cold treatment with the maracuja oil as well. For this video, I just wanted to try the face roller because it was a massager, which drew me to purchasing this product in the first place. As far as cleaning, I plan to disinfect both of the massage heads with rubbing alcohol and then wiping it with a damp cloth. So far, I really like my new massaging face roller. I look forward to using this bad boy all winter with my maracuja oil. Therefore, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Slate Secrets YouTube channel for more beauty tool reviews. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!